Hey, welcome to the day 21st of hip hop dance course. In this lesson, we will learn these 4 steps. So, without wasting any time, we will jump on our tutorial. Let's get started. So, it will be our first step named popcorn. For this step, take this wide angle and just hop side to side like this and hop and hop and hop. This is the rhythm like this 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 and 8. Now we'll add hand movements. Just take your hand on your shoulder and brush like this and brush. Same with other side, brush and brush. It will be our second hand movements. Just take your hand like this on your waist and brush like this and brush and brush. Now do both hand movements together like this. This is the main hand movements and 1 2 3 4 5 6. Alright, we'll add one more hand movement like this 1 and 2 and 1. Don't forget to do brush like this, brush. Alright, now we'll do all step together, leg movements and hand movements. This is position 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 1 2 3 and 4. Now whole step looks like this. This is the rhythm 1 2 3 4 1 2 3 and 4. So this is our popcorn step. Now we will learn our second step. So it will be our second step named the fila. For this step, take this wide angle and do this step, tap and knock, tap and knock. 1 2 3 and 4. Now do little fast and 1 2 3 and 4. Alright, now we'll add some body groove. Just swing your shoulder frontwards like this and 1 and 2. Watch carefully. It looks like this 2 3 4, and this is our main body groove. Alright, now whole body grooves look like this and 1 2 3 4. Alright, now we'll add some hand movements. These look like this. Just keep your hands very loose and swing right to left, left to right like this and 1 and 2. Now we'll do with leg movements and body groove and 1 2 3 4. Now we'll try a little fast and 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8. This is the main body groove. You can travel with this step like this and 1 2. Just step slide, step slide, step slide. Now do with hand movements and body groove and 1 2 3 4 5 6. Little fast. You can try this variation too. Just 1 2 3 and throw your hand upwards and kick your leg sidewards. Kick and same time throw your hand upwards. It looks like this. 1. Alright, same with other side. 1, 2, 3 and 4. 1, 2, 3 and 4. Now we'll try little fast. 1, 2, 3 and 4. 1, 2, 3 and 4. So this is our the fila step. Now it will be our third step named Mike Tyson. For this step we'll start with leg movements. Take your one leg backwards and kick. Backwards, kick and kick. Now do this. Take your leg up, kick and at this step switch movement. Now do same with other side, kick and switch. It's look like this and kick, switch, kick, switch. Now do little fast and kick and kick and kick and 1, 2, 3 and 4 and alright. Now we'll add one more leg movement. It looks like this, kick and cross. One more time and kick, cross, kick, position. Same with other side, kick, cross, kick, position. Again kick, cross, kick, position and kick, cross, kick, position. Alright, now we'll do all step together. It looks like this, 1, 2, 3 and 4 and 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 1, 2, 3 and 4 and 1, 2, 3 and 4 and alright. Now we'll add hand movements. Just take your hand and punch like this and punch and punch and do this step with cross leg movement. Alright, one more time and 1 and 2 and 3 and 4. We'll see on this profile 2, 3 and 4 and 1, 2, 3 and 4. Now we'll do all step together. Position 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 1, 2, 3 and 4. Little fast. 1, 2, 3 and 4. 1, 2, 3 and 4 and add one more groove step, rock groove like this. When you do step, then add this rock groove like this. Alright, now we'll do all step together and 1 and 4, 1, 2, 3 and 4. Now do little fast. 2, 3 and 4 and 1, 2, 3 and 4 and 1, 2, 3 and 4 and 1, 2, 3 and 4. So this is our Mike Tyson step. Now we will learn our fourth and last step named Happy Feet. For this step, take both legs together and take this position and do this up bounce groove and up bounce and up 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 up. Alright, this is the up groove, up bounce groove. Now do this in out step, in, out, close, open, close, open, down, up groove, down, up groove. Now we'll learn this heel toe step. Front side's leg will be on your heel and back side's leg will be on your toes, and back side's leg will be folded and front side's leg will be straight. It's look like this, and heel toe and heel toe and heel toe. Same with other side. And do step on diagonal angle like this. Alright, diagonal angle. Okay, now we'll do both step together like this, and 1 and 2 and 3 and alright. Now do this. Stand in your toes like this and take this position and do this up, down to up, down to up. Do little fast, and 1 and 2 and 3, 4. So this is our light fish step. You can try this variation to do same step in vertical angle like this. It looks like this, and 1 and 2 and 3. Keep stand on your toes, don't forget that. Now little fast. You can also try this variation too. Just do same step in the air like this. Just jump and jump. It looks like this. And you can also try this variation too. Just do same step in the vertical angle. Now we'll do all step together. So this was our today's lesson. We will meet on our next lesson. Till then, keep dancing. Bye.